Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today is Monday, December 15, approximately 7:30 a.m. Me and Jamari taking a walk to the beach. We're going to look some sea stones. Guys, the place is so cold. The weather is changing. Hold on, wait. To you? To you? To you? The stone here green. We're going to do some landscaping. Yeah. So we're just going to look some sea stones, preferably flat ones. Stone like them here, Jamari. Flat stone like them here, look. A flat one here. Yeah. No, just flat stone. Come up here, show the bucket. Up here, sir. Come now, Jamari, see them here. Look.
I can't. They look good. This no look good.
Look, see them here. Oh, yeah, part something then. See flat stone them here. Yeah. The water is so warm. Warm and nice.
What about this? This not look nice.
Come, Jamari. Seashell. This is a very big one.
I go straight to it like something
So we
straight
can
like.
pop up some more.
You can't manage it.
Yeah, put something there. Take
Say
off some more ice
yes,
sponge.
you
Huh?
can't manage it. You can't manage it.
Take off some more ice sponge. Me can't turn. Me and you.
Turn. Alright, make it. See jelly tree there? Jelly. Fat jelly. Then you have to carry guys shortcut and me hold the camera.
You ready now?
What? No. You don't reach that entrance yet in the road.
You ready for me, Kerry? You can't manage to make me carry you now. You ready for me carry now, Jamari? Stay there, strain yourself. You ready for me carry? I gotta wait till when we reach our entrance. Yeah, wait. Alright, where the camera now?
You heavy?
Of course.
Beautiful landscape, beautiful birds, beautiful trees, lots of nature, lots of nature. You see one shop, then next the shop you see one red door and then in the pharmacy.
Oh, we're dead. See, we can't carry it. We carry it from far.
You carry two way out.
We're dead. Come.
Alright, this feel good. Me can't carry eyes. But this feel good.
Oh. Oh my God, I'm so tired and drained. A little time. Wow, go on there. You're good. Go look, see stone, man. So guys, we have arrived. So I'm gonna let you guys come back for part 2 when we're doing the landscaping. We're gonna do it right there. Yeah, so come back for part 2. Peace out. So guys, this is part 2 of the video. So we're gonna mix some cement with sand to lay them. We're gonna lay them right there. We're gonna lay them right there. We're gonna do a little landscaping. So we're gonna take you guys on the journey. Just a little bit of sunny one, not much.
And more?
Let me see. That we do. That we do for now. And not even too much.
Mi gatito, alguien le ha pegado por comeloncito, ahora está llorando. Pobre mi gatito, alguien le ha pegado por comeloncito, ahora está llorando. Gatito, miau, miau, ay, mi 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 gatito, ay, mi gatito, ay, mi gatito, miau, miau. mi gatito. Alguien le ha pegado por comer el meloncito, ahora está llorando. Pobre mi gatito. Alguien le ha pegado por comer el meloncito, ahora está llorando. Gatito, miau, miau. Ay, mi 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 gatito, ay, mi gatito, ay, mi gatito, miau, miau. Pobre mi gatito, alguien le ha pegado por comer el meloncito, ahora está llorando. Pobre mi gatito, alguien le ha pegado por comer el meloncito, ahora está llorando. Gatito, miau, miau. Ay, mi 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 gatito, ay, mi gatito, ay, mi gatito, miau, miau.
What is stone him, Jamari? Time to look the stone him. Come. So guys, we need some more stone. So we're gonna look them. So come back for part 3.